ako September nag-register sa BIR, ano po ang i-include ko sa third quarter? Yung income ba from July to September? Or September lang? Or January to September? The answer is September only from the date of your BIR registration. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Ayon, from the date of your BIR registration. For example, September 20, 2023 ang BIR registration mo. Ang third quarter natin is July, August, and September. Pero since kaka-register mo pa lang ng September 20, ang third quarter mo is from September 20 to September 30 only. Hindi mo kailangan isama yung July and August from the business registration date lang. Ang start ng filing ng third quarter is on October 1 at deadline is on November 15. Ganon pag first filing mo after ng initial or newly registered freelancer ka. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.